What's going on, guys? Cody from KHC here today, and man, am I excited for this one because Joe Pyfer has brought back his Bronco Raptor because we have one thing left to do, and that is actually put the front and rear KHC custom bumpers on. And the reason why I am so excited is because not only are they our bumpers that are going on because they look fantastic, but they're actually gonna be paint to match with his Bronco. And in my opinion, this is one of the better colors that they have on the market for this vehicle. So Tim is getting the lights in the bumpers right now. So let's bring the vehicle back to the shop and get this thing installed. All right, guys, well, that wraps it up for Joe Pyfer's Bronco Raptor. And man, does it look killer. We have the paint to match KHC front bumper and rear bumper on the car. We got some new powder coating colors done here. Before they were purple, now they're more of like a cherry red. Let us know down in the comments below of what you think about our KHC front and rear bumper. I think the transformation from factory to our bumpers is absolutely awesome. It is a sleek, aggressive upgrade that anyone can do, and it just adds a whole new look to the truck. So as always, leave a like, comment down below of what you thought about the factory to KHC bumper transformation came out, and subscribe to us here on the channel. Now, there are 98% of you guys that are not subscribed that watch our videos. So if you guys could just help us out, subscribe to the channel, join the family, and we'll see you guys in the next one.